Want to give your Ford F-150 that bold, aggressive look and protect it from rocks, mud, and road debris? Then stick around, because today, we're counting down the best fender flares that combine style, durability, and perfect fit for your F-150. Whether you're going off-road or just want to turn heads on the street, we've got the top picks that are worth every penny. Let's dive in. At number 5, we have the YHT Auto fender flares, designed for 2021 to 2024 Ford F-150 and built to give your truck that aggressive, bolt-on pocket style that commands attention on the road. These fender flares don't just look tough, they are tough, made from high-quality polypropylene that resists UV damage while staying lightweight and durable. They're paintable too, so you can customize the finish for a factory-fresh or sporty aftermarket vibe. Despite a few missing plastic push pins, users rave about the OEM-like fit and sleek appearance that rivals more expensive options. Installation is a no-drill process with all essential hardware included, making these a budget-friendly upgrade that delivers premium results. Coming in at number 4 are the Tyger Auto fender flares, made for the 2018 to 2020 Ford F-150 and engineered to deliver serious style with reliable protection. These flares feature a smooth, paintable texture with a tough UV-resistant finish and generous tire coverage, over 6 inches in the front and 7 in the rear. Thanks to a special injection molding process, they offer superior strength and flexibility to resist cracking, warping, and chalking even during rugged off-road adventures. Installation takes a couple of hours with no drilling required, and the result is a snug, factory-like fit that gets compliments wherever you go. If you're looking for premium appearance without the premium price, Tyger Auto delivers big. At number 3, the LEDKINGDOMUS fender flares are a perfect match for 2004 to 2008 Ford F150s and 2006 to 2008 Lincoln Mark LTs, offering a custom fit that blends seamlessly with your truck's body lines. Built from high-impact, UV-treated thermoplastic, these flares are tough enough to handle extreme weather without warping, cracking, or chalking. The smooth black finish looks great out of the box or can be painted to match your truck's color for a clean, factory custom look. Installation is straightforward with no drilling required, and everything you need is included. While they may not be the most rugged on the market, they provide solid protection and style at a budget-friendly price, making them an ideal upgrade if you're after a cool new look without breaking the bank. At number 2, the G+ fender flares bring aggressive off-road styling and serious protection to 2009 to 2014 Ford F-150 style side models with beds measuring 67.0 inch, 78.8, or 97.4, made from high-quality polypropylene using a specialized injection molding process. These flares offer excellent durability, flexibility, and resistance to cracking or warping, even when the terrain gets rough. With over 2 inches of tire coverage in the front and rear, they help keep your truck clean, compliant, and ready for oversized wheels. The rugged textured finish, wide body design, and stainless steel rivet accents give your F-150 a bold, customized look. Installation is straightforward, often reusing factory holes, and once they're on, they line up perfectly with your truck's body lines for a clean, seamless fit that makes your ride stand out. And finally, at number 1, the PIT 66 fender flares top our list with a perfect blend of style, function, and unbeatable value for 2009 to 2014 Ford F-150 style side models, designed with a factory-style appearance and over 2 inches of extra tire coverage. These wide-body flares not only give your truck that bold off-road look, but also offer crucial protection against dirt, debris, and rust. Made through a special injection molding process, they're built to endure tough road conditions without cracking, warping, or chalking. Many owners have used them to cover up rust around the wheel wells, and the transformation is impressive, easy to install and incredibly budget-friendly. These flares fit surprisingly well and hold up great over time, making them a smart, effective upgrade that can breathe new life into your F-150.